All right, it is a ridiculously damp day out, so I'm gonna just take this short run as a win and go inside. They both work, but like I said, it's a ridiculously damp day out, and it's pretty chilly, so it's, I think, around zero. Yeah, the high is like 4 centigrade, and it's incredibly foggy and wet out, so the fact that these ran at all is pretty good because it's just so damp, but I'm glad that the black one is still functional, but I'll have to do some work to get it to slow down, and the red one is running a bit faster than it was because I did a small modification on the latch. So we'll hopefully get these both slowed down a lot.